What's the meaning of bug-eyed? Bug-eyed. Bug-eyed.
Bug-eyed. Bug-eyed. The term bug-eyed refers to a person or animal whose eyes appear to be very large and protruding, often due to fear, surprise, or other intense emotions. It can also be used to describe something that has an exaggerated or over-the-top appearance, as if it were imitating the bulging eyes of a bug. The result of being bug-eyed is often a comical or exaggerated expression that can convey a wide range of emotions, from shock or terror to excitement or wonder. In popular culture, bug-eyed creatures are often portrayed as otherworldly or fantastical, with exaggerated features that make them seem both familiar and alien at the same time.